A 1981 Honda NX50M. It's a Express Senior, they called it. It's a smaller frame than the regular Express. Hasn't run in 15 years. I got it off of Craigslist market page in Florida for only 50 bucks. 1,782 original miles. I think it'll run again. I think it was a good deal for 50 bucks. It just needs cleaned up. All the parts are in a box that came with it. I got all the parts in this box. All the missing parts. The air cleaner, the headlight, all the covers that go on, and all the bolts are in there. I think I got a deal.